Welcome. Are you new to trading Forex or did not have the best foundation? This is a course that will help you learn how to trade Forex. If you've always wanted to learn to trade but have no idea where to begin, then this course is for you. It doesn't matter if you have been in this industry, you will probably get something new. So what are we going to learn within this course? We are going to talk about the basics of Forex trading, choosing a broker, MT4 navigation, opening trades, and trading psychology. So in short, Forex trading is a global market that allows one to trade two currencies against each other. If you've ever traveled to another country, you usually had to find a currency exchange booth at the airport and then exchange the money you have in your wallet into the currency of the country you are visiting. You go up to the counter and notice a screen displaying different exchange rates for different currencies. When you do this, you've essentially participated in the Forex market. An exchange rate is the relative price of two currencies from two different countries. It's these changes in the exchange rates that allow you to make money in the foreign exchange market. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day and 5 days a week, only closing down during the weekend. So, what is traded in Forex? The simple answer is money. Because you are not buying anything physical, Forex trading can be confusing, but here is a simple explanation. Think of buying a currency as buying a share in a particular country. In Forex trading, when you buy the Canadian dollar, you are basically buying a share in the Canadian economy. You are betting that the Canadian economy is doing well and will get even better as time goes. Once you sell those shares back to the market, hopefully you will end up with a profit. So what currencies are available in Forex? While there are potentially lots of currencies you can trade, as a new Forex trader, you will probably start trading with the major currencies. They are called major currencies because they are the most heavily traded currencies and represent some of the world's largest economies. So here are the major currencies. We have mainly 8 currencies that are traded as majors. The US dollar, the euro, the Japanese yen, Great British pound, Swiss franc, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, and the New Zealand dollar. So these are the countries where these currencies come from. Forex trading is simultaneously buying of one currency and selling another. The mentioned major currencies are traded as pairs. So we cannot trade euro alone, but it is traded as euro against dollar. So what do we mean if we see something like this? This basically means that we are buying the euro using the US dollars that have been provided to us by the intermediary broker. So basically these are the currency pair examples, which are euro against the dollar, USD against the Japanese yen, and Great British pound against the US dollar. So in short, you can actually comprehend it by saying the Eurozone versus the United States. The United States versus the Japanese, and the Japan, United Kingdom versus the United States. So as I've said, Eurozone versus the United States, your job as a Forex trader will be to see which country or which state has the better economy between the two. This one supporting the buy side and this one supporting the sell side. So the reason they are quoted in pairs is that in every Forex transaction, you are simultaneously buying one currency and selling another. So how do you know which currency you are buying and which you are selling? Let's answer this the right way. With that, we come to another term, which is base and quote currency, and this will help us to explain to you which currency will you be buying and which currency will you be selling. In this scenario, we have GBP against USD. GBP is called the best currency, and USD in this scenario is called the quote currency. In some other texts, this is found as variable currency. The first listed currency to the left of the slash is known as the best currency, and the one on the right is known as the quote currency. The best currency represents how much of the quote currency is needed for you to get 1 unit of the best currency. I will repeat that again. The best currency represents how much of the quote currency is needed for you to get 1 unit of the best currency. So if you buy euro against dollar or euro versus dollar, this means that you are buying the best currency and simultaneously selling the quote currency. You would buy the pair if you believe the best currency will appreciate or gain value relative to the quote currency, and you will sell the pair if you think the best currency will depreciate or lose value relative to the quote currency. Let's go to our next topic, which is choosing a broker. Since we have talked about buying and selling currency pairs, we now have to talk about a broker. It will be impossible for you to look for USD in exchange for euros in the comfort of your home. Therefore, you will need a broker who you will give your instructions to buy or sell a currency for you. In short, a broker is a company that buys and sells a particular asset or assets for a commission whenever you give them an instruction to do so. So choosing which Forex broker to trade with can be a very overwhelming task, especially if you do not know what you should be looking for. For this short course, I recommend using Hotforex. I've been trading with this broker for more than 8 years, and they've never disappointed on all their promised services. So the link is in the description below. You can check this broker and sign up using it. So signing up for a broker is very easy. Let's do it together right now. So basically, this is the website of Hotforex. We are going to demo sign up on this so as to show you how it's done. This on this site there is different information whereby they are telling you what they offer, the types of accounts that they offer, and why join them or why use their broker. So the first thing that you just need to do is to go and open a live account. On opening a live account, you are definitely going to choose on which account that you need to use. Individual, that means you are only one person. A corporate, it means you are opening the account for a company, or a joint account where you are going to have a partner within your account. So the details are as easy as just selecting your country, putting in your phone number, your first name, your last name, your email address, and then register. After that, a person from this broker will contact you by call to help you on the next steps of signing up with them. MT4 Navigation. After signing up with your broker, they will immediately require to verify your proof of identity as well as your location. Completing these will give you the ticket to start trading. The actual trading is done using a computer software called MetaTrader 4. This is also available as a mobile app for the iOS and Android. So let's go on the MetaTrader 4 and do the navigation. So after signing up with the broker and they've managed to approve you your proof of residence as well as your proof of identity, they will give you a link to download the trading platform, which is the MetaTrader 4, and this is the MetaTrader 4. So on the MetaTrader 4, you have approximately two bars. This is the first toolbar, the second toolbar, and then the third toolbar. Within these two bars, you have the first button, which will give you access to currency pairs. These are the currency pairs that are available on our broker. There's many. Then gold, cryptocurrencies, indices, then the USD 100. Then after that, another necessary part is the time frame toolbar, where we have M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, daily up to the monthly time frame. Then after that, this is a navigation arrow like this one. I can actually drag the charts in a lateral way, in which way that I want. Then we have the crosshair. The crosshair may help us to count what we call pips using this crosshair. Then we have the vertical line, which helps us to mark any area that we need to analyze. Then the horizontal line that will help us to draw what we call supply and demand zones. Then the trend line, which will also help us draw our trend lines. The channel will also help us draw, and the Fibonacci retracement is now for advanced courses. It will help us to see confluence of turning points. Then we have texts. Whenever we want to write or mark up, we can write in whatever way we want. We can choose the color of our texts. There we have it. We have our text, and we can drag it wherever we want to put it. Then we can also change the graph into what we call candlesticks, like that. Then we can zoom in and zoom out, and we can also change it to line chart, like that. We can also have a matrix with this pattern. That is a point where we are now analyzing more than one pair using one screen. Then this is not necessary for now. So this one as well. So basically, this is the MT4 or the MetaTrader 4, which is used to trade. So whenever you want to trade, there are two buttons here. We have the sell and the buy button. On the sell button, it means if we press it, we are trying to say this line will go down or the market is going to fall. And if we buy, it means the market is going to go up. Basically, that is what this button will work. Below here, we have a series of currency pairs that we will be picking. For example, we can take USD 100. Unfortunately, I changed colors on this one, or whatever currency pair that we want. Our last part of this course, trading psychology. Firstly, forex trading, if done properly, will give you a lot of money. And And secondly, Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It will need so much effort from your side to master this craft, and below are the practices that will help you achieve this. First one is stick to the plan. One way to help you stick to the plan is to keep a detailed trading journal showing your statistics. Once you see that your trading plan does not work and is yielding positive results, it could give you more motivation and confidence to stick to it and follow it through. The second practice is being patient. Forex trading concepts and techniques are simple and easy to learn. What's hard to learn is how to be patient and disciplined. I cannot teach you how to be patient and disciplined. It is something that you have to be willing to put in order to succeed in this business. So, you have to be disciplined enough to consistently make good trading decisions. Risk management. So, risk management is what separates a trader from a gambler. Simply put, we are in the business of making money, and in order to make money, we have to manage our risk exposure. This means risking more than you can afford to lose, and always practicing proper position sizing. So in conclusion, if you take this seriously, you will attain your financial freedom. I would love to say trading is not easy. At the same time, trading is easy. It is you who put in noise within the system. So to learn the advanced Forex course, send us a message via any of our Telegram, social media handles, and get a mentor for life. This advanced Forex course goes for $500 United States dollars. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and check out some more videos which will definitely help.